What's going on? It's facts you don't know. If it's your first time here and you want to find out new facts that will definitely make you smarter and more well informed, make sure to subscribe and activate the notifications bell so you don't miss anything.
We all agree that there are some animals in this world that are more loyal to their owners than their human friends. There are many stories that have proven this fact. Some may say that the dog is one of the most loyal animals, but what we don't know is that all animals enjoy a great deal of loyalty and feelings for their owners that some people may not enjoy. And today we'll talk about the most freedom-loving bird, which is the eagle. Watch this story until the very end. One day in October, workers at an animal care and rehabilitation center in Canada noticed something unusual that made them surprised. While wandering in the woods, they found an eagle with a white head lying on the ground, collapsing powers, as he was unable to move his wings, as he was breathing hard and could not even raise his head to the sky. The Wild Animal Care and Rehabilitation Center was far from that place, and the animals may lose its life before reaching the center, which made one of them, a veterinarian called Jimmy, take the poor bird in his home. After that man gave him some help, the next day he transferred him to a wildlife care center where he works, and there workers were shocked by what they saw. They were amazed at the size of the giant eagle. They'd never noticed an eagle of that size. The vet examined the eagle and then provided him with the necessary cure, as he treated his wounds in the foot and one of his wings. But the problem remained in his neck, which the x-ray revealed he had suffered a fracture when his head collided with the land after his fall. The vet wanted the poor eagle to receive the necessary care, as he instructed his aides to provide everything they needed to recover. After 5 days of treatment, the eagle's neck was better and his health was improving. Since this animal loves freedom so much, he was trying every time to escape from the workers of the center, but they didn't allow him to leave because he hadn't recovered completely, as the vet decided he should remain under medical care for a few additional days. Everyone in the center liked that bird, treated him kindly, and took pictures with him because he was a truly distinctive bird, and it's rare to find him elsewhere. The bird does not like captivity and will resort to suicide if it falls into it. Well, the bird was in turn used to these workers and became interacting with all the movements that they make. Veterinarian Jimmy was the most eager person to safety the eagle and visited him every day to reassure him, as he supervised feeding him, playing with him, and he considered him a friend. After the treatment was completed and the eagle recovered its full strength, he was released into the wild. The moment Jimmy parted for the eagle was very touching, as the vet shed tears when he saw him walking away in the sky. The eagle became free as it was before, but in return it left a large void in the hospital. But after a few days had passed, the eagle appeared again, circling over that center, and it came every morning, hovering around it, then landed on a window in the hospital opposite Jimmy's office and kept looking inside as if to salute the man who helped him when he was injured. The scene was repeated for an entire month. Jimmy used to look out his office window every day to salute the eagle, and he kept watching. The eagle wants to meet the man again, but his pride does not allow him to do so, since he loves freedom and he doesn't want to be taken prisoner again. Center workers came to the vet's office and saluted the eagle. This touching story proves to us that animals and birds have great feelings, spirit, and loyalty to human beings, especially those who give them a hand when they're in trouble, as happened with this eagle, and for this reason. Thanks for watching. Please like and share the video in social networks. We'll be right back to you as fast as we can.